Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by building the base. Combine 1 cup flour, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 tsp baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Whisk 1 cup milk with 1 egg, then fold into the dry ingredients until a slightly lumpy batter forms. While mixing, cook 3-4 bacon strips until crisp. Reserve 1 tablespoon bacon fat for flavor. Once done, chop the bacon and stir it into the batter so every pancake gets bacon dispersed. This ensures flavor in every bite, not just on top. You now move to the stove. Heat a skillet to medium and grease with the reserved bacon fat or 1 tsp butter so pancakes brown evenly. Spoon 1/4 cup batter for each pancake. Press extra bacon bits into the top to keep crisp texture after flipping. Watch for edges to set and bubbles to form, then flip confidently. Cook 1 to 2 minutes more until golden. Make sure to adjust heat so the center cooks through without burning the outside. This balances crispness and tenderness. You finish by stacking pancakes, topping with maple syrup or butter, and scattering reserved bacon pieces for crunch. If pancakes are raw inside, lower the heat and cover the skillet for 30 to 60 seconds. That traps steam and cooks centers without overbrowning. If they burn, reduce to medium-low and switch to a non-stick pan. Make sure batter isn't too thin. Add a bit more flour if it spreads too fast. Enjoy immediately so texture stays crisp and flavorful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.